Best motorcycle for beginners: Honda CB500X. For those who are just stepping into the thrilling world of motorcycling, the choice of their first motorcycle is a critical decision. It's a selection that can significantly shape their riding experience and set the stage for a lifelong passion. Honda, a renowned name in the motorcycle industry, offers an excellent choice for beginners in the form of the Honda CB500X. This adventure-style motorcycle is designed to provide novices with a comfortable and enjoyable introduction to the world of riding. In this article, we'll explore what makes the Honda CB500X the best motorcycle for beginners who dream of adventure and exploration. A brief history. The Honda CB500X, part of the CB series that includes the CB500F and CBR500R, first appeared in the motorcycle market in 2013. It was introduced as an adventure-styled option among its siblings. Over the years, it has gained a reputation as an excellent choice for new riders due to its manageable power, user-friendly features, and versatility. Optimal power and performance. One of the most crucial aspects of the CB500X that makes it an excellent motorcycle for beginners is its engine. It's powered by a 471cc parallel twin engine, delivering around 50 horsepower. While this might sound like a lot, the power delivery is smooth and predictable. Novice riders will find the CB500X's engine to be approachable and easy to control, allowing them to build their skills and confidence gradually. The engine's power is adequate for various riding situations, from city commuting to highway cruising. This versatility means that beginners won't feel limited as they gain more experience and tackle a wider range of riding conditions. Adventure-ready design. The CB500X's design sets it apart from other beginner motorcycles. It features an adventure-style appearance with a tall windscreen and a high, commanding riding position. This design not only looks appealing but also provides several practical benefits for new riders. Visibility. The taller riding position offers excellent visibility on the road, allowing beginners to anticipate traffic conditions and potential hazards more easily. Comfort. The upright seating position and spacious ergonomics enhance rider comfort during longer rides. This is particularly valuable as beginners build their riding endurance. Wind protection. The windscreen provides protection against the wind blast at highway speeds, making highway cruising more comfortable. Lightweight and maneuverable. The CB500X is a lightweight motorcycle, which is a valuable attribute for beginners. Weighing around 430 pounds, 195 kilograms, it's easy to handle and maneuver, especially at low speeds. New riders will appreciate the manageable weight as they learn the intricacies of balance and control. Whether it's navigating through traffic or making slow-speed maneuvers, the CB500X is a forgiving companion. Braking and suspension. Honda has equipped the CB500X with a reliable braking system. It features front and rear disc brakes, offering progressive and confident stopping power. This is a crucial safety feature for beginners who might still be developing their braking techniques. The motorcycle's suspension is also designed for versatility. It provides a comfortable ride over varying road conditions, from smooth city streets to uneven back roads. For novice riders looking to explore different terrains, the CB500X's suspension ensures a smooth and controlled experience. Fuel efficiency. Efficiency is a concern for many new riders, both in terms of cost and environmental impact. The CB500X's parallel twin engine is known for its excellent fuel efficiency, meaning fewer stops at the gas pump and more time spent enjoying the ride. This feature is appreciated not only by beginners but also by experienced riders who value a budget-friendly motorcycle. Adventure accessories and customization. Aspiring adventurers will love the fact that the CB500X is designed with adventure in mind. Honda offers a range of accessories for the CB500X, including luggage options, crash protection, and more. This means that riders can customize their CB500X to suit their specific needs and embark on longer journeys with peace of mind. Smooth transmission. The CB500X features a smooth and precise transmission, making gear changes a breeze for beginners. The 6-speed gearbox ensures that riders can always find the right gear for the situation, whether it's for quick acceleration or relaxed highway cruising. Respected Honda reliability. One of the key advantages of choosing a Honda motorcycle, especially for beginners, is the brand's renowned reputation for reliability and durability. Honda motorcycles are known for their long-lasting performance, which is a valuable asset for beginners who are still learning the ropes of motorcycle maintenance.